This is my shed. I have a hell of a lot of work to do on the inside. As you can see, it's just to lock up. There's no back framing, no blocking. There's a lot of work to be done in here. But the first thing I want to do is get some decent light in here. And those are the Barina lights. So I'm just gonna hang them up here. So at least I have some decent light, because it's not great in here. I'm gonna get those hung and we'll be back. Well, it's lit up in here now. Okay, that's 4 of those little Barina lights. Yeah, I don't think I need anything else, actually. Got the meter going here. 78 watts. Really? I guess, eh? Gonna take a little break from the inside here to put up a solar motion light. Just a cheapo off of I'm not sure if I got this off eBay or off of Alibaba or something, but I think it was like 10 bucks. I've had pretty good luck with other solar motion lights. The one in front of my house, I've had that thing for 5 years. It's still going strong. So I'm gonna give this one a go. The only way to run the wire through is to cut the wire and go through that tiny little hole right there. Because this little end won't fit through anywhere here. And I tried popping a couple of these out, they're not going. So we're gonna cut the wire, run it through, and yeah, solder it back up. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's see if it's even gonna go through. Come on. It's a miracle. I'm gonna mount this light and then I'll solder it all back together. Sure, let's just do it like that. Oh, my glasses are fogging up, I can't see. Alright. Now I'm using just regular drywall screws because I'm hoping they'll rust. That is the whole part and parcel of the look. How the hell? How did that term even become part and parcel? If anybody knows how that started, write it down in the comments and let me know, because it's a funny saying. Part and parcel. Alright. And there we go. Whoa. There we go. It's not bad. I should have brought my wire strippers. Alright, I'm gonna go get my wire strippers. Okay, I should get up there because the camera's pointed up here. Normally you can strip wire with just side cutters, but this wire is so fine. There's all of about 6 strands of smaller than human hair, and it's too damn cold to do anything else, so you know, proper tool for the job kind of deal. There you go. Oh, wait, I'm not done. All right, turn this tool off. Come on. All right. All right, so there we go. We come in that little crack. Doodle-doo-doo. And out we go. Let's go take a look at it from the other side. So you can just see the little tiny hole, which will be stuffed with insulation when I do the inside. And then I will run those up like that. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go mount the little solar panel. Okay, it's not too terribly exciting, but there we have it. Just ran it up under the shingles there and put it at the peak, facing southeast, because it will get a little bit of sunlight there in the winter. And yeah. Oh, I have trim to do. That's next, but I'm gonna do that on a nice day. Well, nicer day. Alright, that's it. I'm out. Okay, it's plenty dark out. Let's go see if I can get it to activate. Oh, nice. I didn't even hit the step and turn on. That's exactly how I want it. That's nice, eh? Oh yeah, that's plenty bright. That's beautiful. Alright, well there's the lights, and that's enough to get me, enough light to get me working on the inside, and now I can see what I'm doing when I'm trying to get the lock undone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'll be doing one of these videos every week as I update this shed, and I'm out. Thanks for watching.